Hey folks, Dave here. December 14th in the backyard in McKinleyville, and the Pine Siskins are coming through. We have a feeder where we have Niger right here, and they're not very smart, so they just kind of come all over. They've been landing on my head, landing on my hand, and as they get used to me here, they're just, I mean, there must be 100 up in my tree. I've got a big, tall spruce tree up there, as you can see. So they kind of stage there. They have a really big rhododendron over here, and they're just kind of coming through. And so they're Pine Siskins. We also have some lesser goldfinches mixed in here. As you can see, most of the time, even if I move my hand over, it doesn't matter that much. I just touch that one. They don't really seem to care. So, pretty amazing. Don't usually see birds like this. I've noticed that siskins are kind of, I guess I just have to call them stupid. You know, you don't expect to be able to touch a bird like that. But when they're in feeding mode, they just don't care. So they'll come right up to you. Just let you see them for a second. And I discovered this, I just kind of looked outside. We always have a few, but there's a flock of, there's got to be 100 that came through, and they were just everywhere. And I came out to change the bird feeder and noticed that they didn't care if I even touched them. So I decided maybe I can get a video of it, and clearly that is true. So, Pine Siskins, lesser goldfinch, pretty cool. One of those amazing things you see when you get outside. Have fun out there.